Hey race fans, new this year we're going to use Trackside systems to do all our registration. Mainly because all you got to do is sign up an account once, put in your contact information, your emergency contact information, and then it's all stored so registration can be even quicker for each race you want to attend. We're also going to be able to sell t-shirts and other merchandise right through this system, so if you want the t-shirt from the races and you didn't get it there, you can look up and buy it and Aaron will ship it out to you. So head on over to YORRracing.com and let's start the registration process. So once you're at YORRracing.com, you can actually go to any of the races, and as you scroll down you're going to see the big red button that says registration. This will kick you over to the Trackside app, and as you can see at the top, if you want to go directly to it, it's YORR, Y-O-R-R, .tracksideapp.com. Once here, you can see all the different races you can sign up for. Well, we're going to go ahead and click on the first one, which is the Roller Construction High Desert 100. And here, it's going to show you all the pricing info, some basic info about the race. But we're going to see this red button here. It says Purchase Tickets. Now follow me, we're going to have to click this a few times to start with, as we're going to set up our account. Now as I click on Purchase Tickets, you can see the difference here that spectators can purchase their day passes, but if you're a driver, you can go ahead and register for the race. Now, of course, one of the first things you're going to do is click on Log in to register, which if you don't have an account, you're going to have to click over to the Create New Account. So here now on the login screen, I'm going to click on this other new tab here. It says Create New Account. Okay, once on the Create New Account page, you can see everything you need to fill out. So go ahead and put in your personal information to start making your account on Trackside. And once you're done filling in your info, you can see right here at the bottom, click on the Create New Account. Registration is successful, and now I'm logged in. So now once you have your account created, we can go back to clicking on whatever race you're registering for. Now I'm going to go to Purchase Tickets. If I'm a driver, I'm clicking on Purchase Tickets. Okay, once you're logged in, you clicked on the registration, you can see now it comes to a screen where the first thing, it should autofill in your name, but you're going to have to select and add in your vehicle for the first time. Now once you have these vehicles in here, you'll simply select it from the drop down, but the first time you're registering, we need to add in your vehicle. So let's select what color it is, let's select what year it is, select your make. You can see there is other options in case you have a custom Ultra 4 out there. Put in your model, put in your number. Again, you got to have a unique number that's posted on the side of your vehicle so we can help give out shout outs when you go racing by us. Now the sponsor list, notice here that each one needs to be followed by a comma. And notice how the screen is kind of going right there. Now if any point you get stuck there, just hit the tab button and it brings back so we can click save. So I'm going to save that vehicle in there now. And you can see now, do I go with my drop down, I see my number and I see my vehicle description. Driver classification, go ahead and select this is your class you're going to race in. Transponder rental, giving you the heads up that yes, you need a transponder. So go ahead and click that down, that's a $10 rental at each one. Will the driver be a minor at the date of the event? Yes or no? Okay, go ahead and add that to the cart. Okay, everything's added to it. Now you can see on the top right side, just like any e-commerce checkout, you have the shopping cart here you can click on. So you can actually complete your registration by checking out and paying your entry fee. So I'm on here, now I'm going to go to checkout. So now I can enter in all my information. This is your credit card information, just in case it's different than all the others. Then you're going to go ahead and continue review, and you'll actually officially be registered once you pay through this account. Okay, now your registration is complete, and the next time you come back, things will be much easier, where you autofill in your info, select your vehicle, and you're ready to sign up for the next races. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We'll help walk you through it. But we're looking forward to a great season, and we'll see you out there. Thanks everyone.